Hello dear students. Now we are going to perform evaluation of marketed capsule. For the evaluation of marketed capsule, amoxicillin capsules IP were procured. Strength was 500 milligram. Amoxicillin trihydrate capsules and amoxicillin capsules, the synonyms. Amoxicillin capsules contain not less than 90% and not more than 110% of the stated amount of amoxicillin. These are the specifications as per IP. Amoxicillin is a penicillin antibiotic that fights bacteria. Amoxicillin is used to treat many different types of infections caused by bacteria such as tonsillitis, bronchitis, pneumonia, and infections of the ear, nose, throat, skin, or urinary tract. Side effects of amoxicillin. There is need of emergency medical help if the signs of an allergic reaction to amoxicillin was felt or found. Example, hives, difficult breathing, swelling in face or throat, or a severe skin reaction like fever, sore throat, burning eyes, skin pain, red or purple skin rash with blistering and peeling. In the evaluation test for the amoxicillin, the first test is weight variation. The uniformity of dosage units may be demonstrated by determining the weight variation, and the weight variation method is as follows. For hard capsules, 10 capsules are individually weighed and their contents removed, and the emptied shells are individually weighed and the net weight of the contents is calculated by subtraction. Weight variation test for capsule. Weight of one, and each capsule is determined individually and it is noted down. Contents of the capsules are removed. And weight is determined. Weight of empty shell is also determined. This is second capsule. Next test for the evaluation of amoxicillin capsule is disintegration test. In this test, the capsules are placed in the basket rack assembly, which is immersed 30 times per minute into a thermostatically controlled disintegration fluid at 37 degrees Celsius and observed over the time described in the individual monograph. To satisfy the test, the capsules disintegrate completely into a soft mass having no palpably film core and only some fragments of the gelatin shell should be there. Tablet disintegration test apparatus, double unit. Make its FOSS lab. Here two switches are there, two set of switches. Here is the switch for heater. So here we have to adjust the temperature up to 37 degrees Celsius, which is familiar or equal to the in vivo conditions. Here the mains, so it helps to switch on and switch off the machine. This is the assembly of disintegration test apparatus. 6 cylinders are there with 10 mesh, and this is to be fitted in this disintegration medium containing beaker, which has the capacity of 1000 ml and in which 500 ml of the disintegration medium is filled. The disintegration test for capsule can be performed in water or 0.1 normal SCL, So this is the movement of the cylinder. So there is need that the disintegration medium should enter the cylinder so that this will contact with the dosage form and disintegration of the dosage form will take place. So we are now going to put in the dissolution test, disintegration test apparatus. So the capsule should not float, that's why we are putting here this floater. So this will keep the capsule at the bottom of the cylinder, and here 10 mesh screen is there which helps to enter the disintegration medium. At the end of 12 minutes, some of the gelatin material or flakes are seen in the disintegration medium. The first capsule disintegrates. And gelatin shell is found there. So it is completely wet. So soft palpable material of the gelatin is there. And the time is 15 minutes 10 seconds. Third one is also disintegrates. So the third one also disappears, and the time is 15 minutes 51 seconds. The fourth one also disintegrates, and only the soft pulp is remaining. And the time for fourth is 17 minutes 03 seconds. Fifth one also disintegrates completely. Only first and fourth tablet is remaining to disintegrate. So this is the first tablet which is remaining to disintegrate. Here only the pulp is there. This is the fourth capsule which is remaining to disintegrate. So this is fourth one. So only soft and palpable mass is remaining. So this means that all the capsules pass the disintegration test, and the time is 22 minutes 25 seconds. Dissolution test for amoxicillin capsules. So as per Indian Pharmacopoeia, the dissolution apparatus to be used is apparatus 1, that is paddle, dissolution medium 900 ml of water, dissolution speed 100 rpm, and dissolution test is to be performed for 60 minutes. One capsule is inserted in the vessel for each test. Then suitable volume of the medium should be withdrawn and Filter promptly through a membrane filter disc having an average pore diameter not greater than 1 micrometer. The filtrates need to be diluted further with the same solvent, that is water, and the absorbance is to be measured at lambda max 272 nanometer using double beam UV spectrophotometer. So let us watch the video for dissolution test of amoxicillin capsule.
Now we are going to perform the dissolution test for amoxicillin capsule, that is marketed preparation. Let's see the protocol. So view the protocol. Instead of viewing, we will edit the protocol or existing one. So enter drug name amoxicillin. Save. Media name water. Save. pH value. Save. Temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Save. Media volume. Power fail. Apparatus. Paddle. Time 60 minutes. RPM. Save and pack. Save and exit. Now let's view the protocol which we. So it is drug name amoxicillin, media name water, pH value 7. Next, temperature 37 degrees Celsius, pH value, then media volume it is remaining. So media volume is remaining to save. So 900 ml. Save. Now the bath temperature is 37.5 degrees Celsius. So we can start the dissolution. The dissolution tester is ready to perform the dissolution test. This is 900 ml water, dissolution medium for amoxicillin. The apparatus is paddle. Apparatus 1 as per IP paddle. So RPM we have to set 100. this is the marketed preparation of amoxicillin capsule, IP. Load protocol 1, 7, enter, protocol loaded, escape. So this is the 100 RPM, bath temperature is 37.5 degrees Celsius and protocol number is 7. Now at the end of 15 minutes, first sample is removed and now 5 ml of fresh dissolution medium, that is water, is replaced in the dissolution jar to maintain the pink condition. Second sample is removed at the end of 30 minutes and same volume of fresh dissolution medium is replaced. the end of 60 minutes. Spectrophotometer readings of the resolution test samples of amoxicillin capsules. So in photometric mode, we select the wavelength 272 nanometer, and now in the reference as well as sample there is water. So reference sample, reference liquid. So here auto zero is done. And now
लांब बोल घेते.
resolution samples are diluted further, that is 1 ml to 10 ml, and then at 272 nanometer the absorbance is measured. So the first sample, that is 15-minute sample, and it gives absorbance 0.099.
Result: marketed formulation of amoxicillin capsule IP is evaluated for following parameters: weight variation, disintegration test, and resolution test. Question bank.